Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Mrs. Reena Singh. Today I will take your English class. Students, today our topic will be the sentence, as you can see from the picture. But before learning about the sentence, we must have the proper knowledge of word and letters also. Okay, because they all are related to each other. Okay, first comes the letters, then comes the word, and then comes the sentence. So as sentence is the last part, so first of all we will learn about letters. Step by step we will move towards sentence. Okay, so first of all let us learn about letters. What is letter? Letter is the smallest unit of English. Here you can see the letter. See? It's a letter B. Here is also letter B. Can you tell me the difference between both the letters? Yes, it's capital B letter. It's small b letter. Here you can see more. Yes, this is capital A letter, small a letter. Here you can see, yes, capital L letter, small l letter. Okay, so all these are letters. And remember, letter is the smallest unit of English. Now after letters, let us move towards our next part. Next part, I told you before that. What is the next part after letters? Yes, the next part is our word. Is it a word? No, it is not a word. Okay. Is it a word? Yes? Yes, it's a word. It is a word ball. Your ball with which you would like to play. Yes. Okay. So when we speak of a word, the picture of the thing come in our mind. As I'm talking about ball, the picture of ball will come in your mind. Suppose I'm talking about book. The picture of book will come in my mind. Suppose I'm talking about toy. The picture of toy will come in my mind. Okay? Now, what is word? Word is a group of letters. Group of letters. But remember this thing, it should not be arranged in a jumbled manner. That means it should be arranged properly. When it is arranged properly, then only it can be a word. Okay? So after word, let us come to our next topic, and that is a sentence. And sentence is our main topic. I hope you all have understood about letter and words. Now, before learning about sentence, I want to tell you about the sentence. See these words I'm showing you here. Yellow, my, bat is. There are 4 words. Are they making sense? No. Okay, let us try to rearrange them. My bat is. Okay, let us put it at the end. Is it making sense? Yes, it is making sense. My bat is yellow. Okay, so what have you understood from this thing? That means sentence is what? Sentence is a group of words. But it must have a sense. Okay, before that it was arranged in a jumbled manner and it was not making sense. So that means it was not a sentence. But now when it is making sense, it is a sentence. And remember, it starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay? So I have discussed with you verbally. Now see. See, I have arranged for you it in the written form. See, what is word? What is word? A group of letters. What is word? A group of letters arranged in the correct order. Remember this thing, it is a group of letter, that is correct, but it should be arranged in the correct order. Okay, if it is not arranged in the correct order, then it will be a wrong word. It will not be called word, I can say. Okay, now let us come to your main topic, sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is what? It is a group of words. It is a group of words arranged in the correct order. That means, like word, it should also be arranged in the correct order. Okay? If it is not arranged in correct order, it will not be called a sentence. Okay? So next is, some other points are also there related to sentence. It is a group of words that is complete. Remember this thing, when I am writing a sentence and it is not complete, that means it is not a sentence. Okay? In itself and make sense. With completion, it must make a sense. Okay, I am repeating the point. It is a group of words that is complete in itself. Okay, complete in itself and make sense. Okay, one more important point is there. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. That means it must have a proper starting, and that starting should be with the capital letter and it's ending with the full stop. See here, I'm showing you the sign of full stop. It is like this. Okay, that is also called period also. Okay, I hope you all have understood about the sentence, about the word and about the letter. Now see, this part is from your textbook. Okay, see here the sentence. So let's get started. Now look at the words written on the blue train. Rearrange them to form a meaningful sentence and write them on the red train. Are you seeing two kinds of trains here? One is your blue train, another one is your red train. Okay, words are already there in the blue train, but you have to rearrange these words in the red train. So first of all, let us read the words in the blue train. Going, Disneyland, M2I. Going Disneyland, M2I. Is it making sense? No, it is not making sense. So let us try to rearrange them to make a meaningful sentence. Now tell me what can be written first. Yes, let us start. I. I'm writing here. I. Then we can write which pronoun we use with I? Am. Yes, we will write here. Am. Next is going. Going. Now I think when we have written 3 words, then I think you can guess about the 2 words. I am going. Only 2 and Disneyland is left. Then what will come first? Yes, 2. 2. And the last one is left, Disneyland. So, see the sentence. I am going to Disneyland. And at the end, full stop. Is it making sense? Yes, it is making sense. So that's why we can call it sentence. Okay? But it is not a sentence. Okay, blue train is not making sentence, but red train is making sentence. Okay? Again, I'm repeating what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words. Remember this thing? It is a group of words arranged in the correct order. Okay, and that makes complete sense. Okay, and some other points are, a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. So again I'm repeating. Sentence, group of words arranged in the correct order, and it must make sense. It starts with capital letter, ends with full stop. I hope you all have understood the concept of sentence. If there is any query, you can ask me. After some time, I'll send you the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.